Sang Pembatik. Women batik makers have historically played an important role in preserving Indonesia's wastra culture, which is rich in artistic and traditional values. Since ancient times, batik making has often been carried out by women, making this art a symbol of perseverance, refinement, and creativity. The motif in batik carry deep meanings, such as the parang motif, which symbolizes struggle and courage, and the kawung motif, which reflects simplicity and wisdom. Therefore, batik makers are not just artists, but also guardians of cultural heritage that pass down through generations. The spirit of batik represents beauty, elegance, and the spirit of perseverance in safeguarding cultural heritage. This custom is inspired by batik, a masterpiece recognized globally by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. Sang Pembatik.